In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front strut assembly on a Subaru Forester. It's located behind the front wheel. After you've raised and supported the vehicle safely, you need to remove your 5 lug nuts. These are 19mm nuts. And remove your wheel. After you remove your wheel, you need to remove your brake hose from the strut. That's a 12mm bolt. Unclip it from the strut. Now onto the other side, you have your ABS sensor. That also is a 12mm bolt. You need to remove that. Unclip that from the strut. On the front side of your rotor, you have your axle nut, which is a 32mm. You need to remove that. Push your axle in. Now you need to remove your 2 bottom strut bolts. They are 19mm nuts and bolts. Your top bolt has a washer and is oblong for adjustment. Your bottom bolt does not have a washer. And is not oblong. Now you want to separate your strut from your knuckle. You can do that by using a rubber mallet. Now we're into the engine compartment. This is our strut. Our strut top is held on by 3 12mm bolts. You need to remove those. Drop one. Before you take your third and final 12mm bolt off, you want to hold your strut from underneath because that strut is going to want to drop down. Now you can remove your last nut. Then pull your strut out. And there's your strut. The top of your strut has 3 studs. Those 3 studs have to go through three holes in your body mount. Slide your strut up and align your 3 studs with the 3 holes. Once you do that, you can install your nuts while holding the strut. And tighten your 3 nuts. Those 3 nuts get torqued at 14 foot-pounds. Now we're back down at the lower part of the strut. You want to push your axle in to your knuckle, slide your knuckle over your strut, and install your bottom bolt. Install your nut by hand. Now install your top bolt. Install your washer. And install your nut. And tighten your bolts. Now you want to torque those 2 bolts at 129 foot-pounds. Now you can reinstall your brake hose and tighten your bolt. That bolt gets torqued down to 24 foot-pounds. Now you can reinstall your ABS wire and tighten your bolt. And that gets torqued down to 25 foot-pounds. Now you can reinstall your axle nut. And tighten that down. Now you want to torque that nut down to 162 foot-pounds. If you have a helper, at this time they can push their foot on the brake pedal so your rotor doesn't move. We don't have someone, so you can use a pry bar and torque it yourself. On your axle, you're going to have this cutout. What you want to do is you want to peen your nut into that cutout. Just like that. To install your wheel, slide your wheel over your lug nut studs and install your lug nuts. You want to tighten those in a star pattern. And torque those down to 65 foot-pounds. Once you've lowered your car down to a flat surface, now it's time to torque. You also want to torque in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.